We just started the Monday.com workshop, and I am constantly being wowed. Bestas, hello, Rachel, Cole. Hi, I'm Rachel. I work at etoro. I'm the head of loyalty marketing. What helps me evolve professionally is finding pain points. Since the beginning that I've worked at etoro, I've always looked for different opportunities for growth. I wanted to join today's workshop because I feel like there's a gap in understanding, a gap in discussion within my company. At the end of the day, we're a startup company that doesn't have time to sit down and say, what am I missing to make my productivity better? And this gives me the opportunity to expand that conversation. That feeling of the Monday.com community coming together to discuss something in one place really opened my eyes to new possibilities and new opportunities just by other people's vision and be able to discuss why they see it like that. Everyone's so lovely that even people are offering to look at my dashboard, look at my views, and want to work on it together. And I feel like having that challenger to say, why do you do that, is really important in our work.